Hi, my name is Sarah. I live in Sydney, Australia. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sarah's Samut Sari. Samut Sari in Filipino means a variety of stuff. This YouTube channel will provide a variety of stuff in that we will be showing you how to make things, how to crochet, how to knit, how to quilt, how to do gardening, how to do bonsai, and many other stuff. In addition, we will be featuring artists, places to go, places to see, and many other things. So, for our first feature, we will be showing you how to make a bonsai. So, we look forward to hearing from you through your comments and suggestions. Enjoy!
My husband Eric and I share our love for arts and culture. Bonsai may be considered part of gardening, but it is an art. Eric started making bonsais 10 years ago. Our friends and family have asked him how he makes them, so he is now sharing what he has learned and done for the past 10 years. I will be walking you through the procedures and tips. To begin making your bonsai, you will need a shallow pot or container. If you do not have one, you can cut a standard plastic pot to a third of its size to create a temporary bonsai pot. The idea is to create a shallow container to hold the bonsai until you find that perfect pot. You can use a cheap plastic pot, use a cutter to slice the pot, like so. Your specimen tree should have a nice canopy and a good trunk base called a nebari. Ideally, it would be great to choose a nebari that is tapering up. The other materials that you will need aside from the pot are your specimen tree, mesh, wire to secure the mesh, cutting tools, and the most essential tool, an old chopstick. For this tutorial, we have chosen the native frangipani. Once you have chosen your tree, select the best angle that is more natural to the specimen tree. Rotate the tree on all sides to assist you in deciding which one is the best view. You will now need to prepare the pot. Secure the drainage hole with a mesh and a butterfly wire. This is an optional step. The objective of securing the hole is so that the soil will not recede. It is important that the water drains well to avoid root rot. Here is a closer look on how to make a butterfly wire. A butterfly wire is used to keep the mesh in place. However, note that the use of the wire is actually not necessary as the mesh will be secured once you put soil on top of it anyway. It is up to you whether you wish to do this step. Once you have prepared your pot, you will need to get the tree off its original pot. You will need to give the pot a bit of a whack on its side for the tree to be loosened and dislodged. Use the chopstick to clear the soil at the bottom and the top. At the same time, you can tease the roots while you loosen the soil. Try to leave at least a third of the root ball intact. As a word of warning, some trees respond well to aggressive root pruning. However, ensure that you do not cut too much. After pruning the roots, you will need to try to reveal the base section of the nebari or the trunk. You should have chosen a tree with a wide nebari that is tapering up. The idea of making bonsais is based on the choice of a great and beautiful nebari that gives an idea of the tree's age. You can also use a brush to do some cleaning up and to reveal more of the roots and the nebari. You can also start trimming off some of the roots to do a bit of cleaning up. Clear the base of the tree well. A good bonsai shows great nebari and makes the tree look older and mature. After revealing the nebari and the tree's roots, you will need to choose from all possible best viewing sides by positioning it in the pot. You can do the same procedure using the temporary plastic pot as well. You need to show the best viewing side of the nebari and the form of the tree that you want to feature. You will now need to fill your new pot with soil. You can use the same soil the tree was in. You can add coarse sand for drainage and mulch to enrich the soil. Fill a third of the pot with soil. Put the tree in and completely fill and secure the tree in the pot. Note the desired structure and form to be shown. Make sure that the soil is compact and that the tree is fully secure. There is no need to anchor the tree unless the container is too shallow or you want the tree in a tricky shape or angle. After securing the tree, you can now start pruning the tree to the shape that you desire. Ideally, it should have a triangular shape. This is now how the training native frangipani bonsai looks like. The tree lives in a shallow container, so regular watering and pruning is essential for its form and structure to be well established. If you have found this video useful and would like to receive more information, please feel free to write your comments below. Please subscribe and like our video. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a blessed day!